Getting a grip on things is something we all cope with from time to time. But for some people, an actual physical grip has unfortunately been out of reach. Now one innovator is giving these folks a hand by turning his attention to tension. It's called the NeoMano, and it's meant to help patients with limited hand motion, especially those with spinal cord injuries. This special glove was co-created by Scott Kim, who spoke with me from San Francisco, California. Thanks so much for joining us.
Hello, Mo. Thanks for having me.
So how does it work?
So the way it works is that NeoMano glove has built-in titanium wires inside the glove, which is all powered by the button-based controller. And the controller has two buttons. One says grip, and the other side says release. So once you hit the grip side, then it actually makes a grip for you by flexing the titanium wires. And then once you hit the release side, then it releases your hand back so that you can actually release the object.
The first glove Scott and his team created was the Smart Glove. It was meant to help stroke patients rehabilitate the functionality of their hands. But they discovered many spinal cord injury patients also had limited hand motion, and they were in need of something more.
The top three challenges that spinal cord injury patients deal with on a day-to-day life, it would be number one, picking an object and releasing it, and number two, brushing the teeth, and lastly, opening and closing the door. So these are all the activities that we all kind of take it for granted.
Scott knows intimately what it's like to have a disability.
I was actually born with spina bifida, which is the type of disability that can happen to your back when you're born. So I went through the surgery, and I had to do a lot of the rehab activities when I was growing up.
That has inspired his vision for this wearable technology. So where does it go from here?
Our hope with NeoMano is that more people will be actually benefit from the device like this, like anytime, anywhere.
Scott is hoping affordability and portability will add to the accessibility, making the glove within reach for so many more patients. Thank you for all you do.
Thank you, Mo.